Hi guys and girls and guys and girls. Hi people of all genders. um nak cakap apa? Okay, so in today's video I'm gonna I'm gonna show you how I got this look. This is my like raya look lah, because dia macam got glitter kan, so you can pakai this makeup look masa raya nanti. And okay lah, so jom kita move forward. Jom kita mara ke hadapan. Okay, first kali I always start with this sunblock from Lancome. Okay, then I pakai this thing from YSL untuk kasi muka I moisturize and glowing. Satna. I nak campak semua dekat katil I. Tak semak. Okay, lepas tu I pakai this spray from Urban Decay B6. Ni macam I punya like makeup step semua ni yang I pakai selalu tau. I pakai this colour here nak habis dah. I colour correct bawah mata I. And then baru I pakai my foundation. This foundation from Kat Von D Lock It in the shade like light neutral 47. Okay, but kadang-kadang I suka macam ni. I tak dark, kadang I macam ni juga. Okay, so I rasa macam I nak the foundation sink into my skin. Boleh tak cakap ni? Soft Matte Complete Concealer in Custard. Macam ni. I just letak kat bawah mata I. Okay, and just cover apa yang patut. Ni ada jawab kat sini. And I can always cover bawah hidung I. Bawah hidung merah, cover je bawah hidung ni. Dia macam tak cover sangat ni, but I macam I can't be bothered. Sebab like biar sometimes macam yes you nak flawless finish, flawless skin, but then I rasa macam pimple and biji kat muka you, it adds character. Dia macam lagi macam okay, this is a real person. Like no one has flawless skin. Okay, no one. Even celebrities pun, you nampak gambar dia flawless tapi di depan dia ada je biji-biji. Tu semua photoshop, okay. So makeup tebal. So it's okay if your pimples and apa biji kat muka you are peeking through your foundation. It shows that you are human. Okay. Okay, dah. No, terlalu fair. I tak suka. But you can fix that with this Becca soft light blurring powder in golden hour. I set my makeup everything semua with this brush, this powder brush, this pressed powder from Makeup Forever. I love this. Dia akan buat kulit I so bloody smooth. I always pakai this before I con. Sebab if you con in kulit you sticky, dia akan macam tak smooth tau. So I need a super smooth base kat pipi I untuk con. So dia macam smooth je. Dia macam tak ada macam like bercampur-campur. Dia macam tak macam susah nak blend tau. I con guna Tarte's Pro Glow. Oh my god, this is so disgusting and kotor. Okay, by the way, I'm using this shade here, color this Sculpt. Okay, this shade here. I'm gonna take my Kat Von D brush. And then I akan contour my nose with this brush, Zoeva 235 contour shader. The same color from the palette. Tap off the excess and I can always start atas down. Then I turun ke bawah macam ni. Okay. Make sure this straight lah, kalau tak hidung saya ingat. Okay, and then baru I blend ke tepi. I macam akan tarik ni ke tepi. I'm gonna use this palette from Becca Chrissy Teigen. Okay, ambil this blush brush, Zoeva 127 Luxe Sheer Cheek. I can ambil this colour here. Okay, you tahu macam, oh my god, this is so bloody terang, but tak. Okay, dia terang tapi dia taklah terang sangat sebenarnya. Dia kasih macam really nice blush to the cheeks. Nampak? Tak terang pun. Dia kena macam like banyak baru terang. Ha, nampak ni. I can highlight guna this colour here. This here, okay? This here. So cantik. Cantik gila. I ada buat video pasal this palette untuk Sephora. I can link the video. It's on Instagram. I can link the video down below dekat description box. The description box if you nak tengok. And if you tengok the video, I can link down below. Please comment and like. And kata macam, oh, Saprit, suruh I like. Tak lah, dia macam tu. You macam like, oh yeah, Saprit, whatever lah. Okay. Jadi so, nanti at the end of this semua benda ni, kita akan highlight lagi sekali. Top up highlight tu. Kalau tak, dot kat tengah ni. So macam nampak cute. Macam, oh, dot, ha? Macam tu. Oh, you nak over, you guna tangan je. Ha, you tonyo highlight tu. Macam ni. Okay, but nanti kita akan highlight kat sini dengan sini after kita buat kita punya eye makeup. But now, just biar dulu, okay? Okay, this thing here, precisely my brow pencil Benefit. I'm in the shade 3. This is a bit too light for me. I'm actually in the shade 4, but tak apalah. Okay, ni. Satu yang brushing, satu yang pencil. Baru nanti I akan keluarkan satu video. I think 3 videos, I think. I'm not sure yet. But ada video with Urban Decay, featuring Urban Decay products. Watch out for that. And there's a video for MAC. With MAC, I collab dengan MAC. Okay, this one I collab dengan MAC, Urban Decay, and Shiseido. So look out for those videos nanti. Ada yang for Instagram, ada yang for YouTube. Okay. Ni I really small stroke orang kata. Macam short stroke. So nampak macam natural sikit. Okay. Macam this brush is perfect. This brush is perfect for that natural bushy eyebrow look. Yang taklah kemas gila, but you know macam nampak natural lah. You can biar macam ni, or you can macam make it more defined with this Urban Decay brow box. Macam tu. So I macam nak extra. This is a Raya look, so you memang nak extra pun kan. So I dip into this darker shade. This darker shade, and just bentuk kat atas tu. So dia macam, nampak? I bentuk kat atas tu. So dia lagi kemas. Siapakah yang, oh shit, who that? Okay, sekejap. It's from Zalora. Okay, sekejap. Satna. Yes, sure thing. Nisha Izzati at gmail.com. I tak kenapa macam bila I dapat email, I macam so many emails to reply. Bila tak dapat email, I macam, ya Allah, murahkan rezeki aku. Humans are so weird like that kan. Dia macam, bila tak ada, dia macam nak. Bila ada banyak, dia macam kusut. Kita kena bersyukur, kita kena praktiskan sifat bersyukur. Okay, nampak? Ha, nampak dia macam like very the kemas. So I can ni, so dia macam tak adalah petak sangat. This thing here from Lancome. I tak tahulah. This person macam corrected my pronunciation pasal Lancome ni. I macam like, kita Melayu, okay? Kita cakap bahasa Melayu, okay? Okay, Lancome, Lancome. So like this, I just ke atas, so nampak natural sikit. Tepi ni baru I. Okay. Because I nak nampak dia macam ada bulu kat depan ni. So dapat natural, nampak so natural. Okay, walaupun I ni fake, tapi I want to look natural. I nak attempt to look natural. Okay, so I'm going to do this part here, which I'm not going to show you because who has the time for that. Eyeshadow primer potion, Urban Decay, letak kat mata I. Okay, nampak tak? Mundas, liquid Mundas eyeshadow. It's a liquid shadow from Urban Decay in the colour Chemtrail. Nampak ni, colour macam ni. Okay, tak kat ni, but more kepada depan ni, bawah and depan ni. Okay, jangan move it around too much sampai satu eyelid. Okay, kat inner corner sampai ke tengah je. Okay, macam ni. Macam ni, okay. Eyeshadow. Tarte in Bloom ni. I akan ambil this colour. I akan mix ni dengan ni. Okay, kat sini. Okay, then you naik ke atas. So kalau you fokus ke bawah sangat, dia akan macam mata you macam ni. You nak macam ni tak mata you. So you atas sikit ni, sini. Okay, so you kira macam you naikkan sikit lah mata you, so mata you tak nampak droopy. Okay, then kita ambil a smaller brush. 231 Lux Petite Crease Zoeva juga. Ambil yang colour jet satu tu. And fokus dekat crease ni, kat hujung ni, dekat crease. Macam ni. And then rasa I nak menggelapkan dia lagi. Ambil this colour here, Leader. Sikit je, tak nak banyak sangat. Sebab colour dia macam terlalu gelap sangat. I takut gelap sangat. Okay, fokus dekat hujung ni. Okay, dengan kat crease. Naikkan sikit. Okay, and then sebab dah gelap sikit ni, I ambil this glitter glue, Too Faced glitter glue. Okay, ambil sikit je, jangan banyak. Sikit je, sikit cukup. Letak kat hujung ni, hujung dan ke tengah sikit. Okay, you dab je, jangan tarik yang you dab je. Okay, ambil a tiny brush, detail shader, a tiny shader brush. I ambil this colour here, Space Cowboy, Mundas ni, Space Cowboy. This is palette ni, palette kosong yang you letak sendiri the eyeshadow. Okay, just nampak ni, you letak dekat tempat you letak glue tu, so glue tu melekat sikit. Ambil brush kecil ni and ambil yang jet setter tu. Kalau ingat crease tu, I just go over and blend it, so tak adalah macam terlalu harsh sangat. Then ambil yang brush besar and blend it, blend everything together. This brush from Essence, Smoky Eyes. Ambil colour jet setter and Smarty Pencil and letak kat bawah mata I. Okay, so dia macam nampak complete. This eyeliner from Mirenes, Mirenes, tak sebut. Thick and Thin liquid eyeliner. Dia ada dua side, yang besar punya, yang kecil punya. So I pakai yang kecil punya. I akan bermata, and then I nak just go over the lash line dengan eyeliner lagi, so tak ada putih-putih tu. I ambil this Mirenes mascara, buang yang hujung tu sikit, dan pakai dekat my lower lashes. Okay, I suka lower lashes I messy. So if terkena eyeliner, terkena mascara, macam comot-comot tak kisah. So nampak macam my lashes lagi full tak kalau comot. So I just sengaja kenakan dekat kulit. So nampak macam banyak lashes, sebenarnya tak pun. Okay. Sebab nampak macam ada full lashes, sebenarnya tak. Trick trick. Ambil highlighter yang tadi I pakai tu on my cheeks. Oh, makau. Yang ni. And I letak dekat sini, brow bone eye ni. Okay. Nampak? I letak situ. Okay. Nampak ni. Nampak dia macam bersinar. Okay. And then I letak kat sini. Dekat inner corner. And I rasa I letak dekat I punya dagu. I letak semua tempat. Letak lagi. I nak. Sumpah I nak dia bersinar. Nak mampus. By the way, do you guys know I buat what's in my bag video? So comment down below if you nak tahu, you nak I buat video what's in my bag. Because I have tak banyak sangat benda in my bag, so boring. But I boring. Okay, mulut pula. I pakai Too Faced Lip Injection Extreme because the lip lipstick that I'm gonna wear after this is a bit dry. So nak mulut I tak merekah langsung. And then I pakai this Tarte's Lip Paint. Ni yang quick dry in the shade Rose. So this is not like TBT yang creamy lip paint. Yang TBT tu, TBT is more creamy because it's creamy lip paint. This is quick dry, so it's a bit more drying. Ya, letak colour dia cantik gila. I suka Tarte punya lipstick because it's so damn pigmented. Okay, dia macam bagus gila pigmentation dia. Kita letak setting spray lagi sikit. Dah. I zoom out Okay, so thanks for watching. Nanti I might do another raya look, but this time dengan this thing here, dengan Stila ni. Semua glitter-glitter, okay? Expect more glitter raya looks after this. Because it is raya kan, so memang kena extra pun. Okay, I think tu je kot. So I hope you guys suka this tutorial, this raya makeup tutorial. It's nothing fancy, nak mampus or complicated, and I think it's not that hard to recreate. You don't need to buy all those products yang guna. You boleh pakai apa yang you ada. Macam like you don't have to buy like the exact products to achieve this look. You can experiment, you can use colour lain ke. Faham tak? You macam do your own thing. You tak perlu beli semua benda yang I pakai. Don't do that sebab rasa macam janganlah, usahlah buat macam tu, okay? So yes, inilah. And yeah, okay lah, bye, love you. Mwah.